Small siya.
Ay, hindi ko mami.
Is Raymond gonna do 1, 2, or what?
No, he just likes black.
Come here, come.
Ay, go to mami oh. Dali, go to mami, go to mami.
Here.
Here oh. Dali.
Ikaw,
Their shirts.
Gloves.
Ay, gloves. Ano?
Ano to? Coloring food lang?
Excel ako.
Hindi. Ay, Jobos. Alam mo yung Jobos?
Robos na to. Red.
Coloring food eh, no?
Hindi masya, kaya dapat dry dapat to over, like parang technically supposed to be overnight.
Ah.
Pero ma-dry okay na. Pag fully dry talaga, di ba?
Tapos careful.
Kaya pag sinampay lang natin yan dyan sa araw.
Kaya na ito mo, nakasampay eh.
Oh, try na yan.
Frankie Frank!
Oh, ganyan. Oy! Hi, Frank!
How are you? Kung ano, i-push mo na lang ng kamay. Hanggang, yun yung ginawa nung ibang ganda eh. How are you, bro?
Jero kayo dito?
Adult version.
Ayan?
Allegedly for kids and shit.
Ayan, okay lang dito?
Oo. Gusto mo, lapit mo pa.
Para kita lahat. Hindi, ano ka lang, isuzoom ko na lang. Ayos. Ayan.
Siya gagawa ng t-shirt niya.
Huwag lang sana sa bahay.
Huwag mo lang gagawin sa bayan. Nakita ko black eh. Ito black. Oh, let's get some color. Let's get some color. What else you want? We get the green. Let's
Yours,
get the
Papa,
green.
ikaw gagawa dyan.
Oh, Papa, what else you want?
What color do you want? What color? Blue? Blue? You have a blue now. Ah,
Oh, here.
and red.
Oh, here. Oh, where do you want this? Oh, here.
Oh, you must
Oh,
put.
go.
Okay. Wow.
Wow, green.
Green.
You want the green? Blue.
Ganun, may stripes yung
Okay. Good job.
Saan ang takip nito?
Wow.
Wow. Oh, yay.
Yay.
Design, di ba?
Yay. Oh, what colors? What else do you want? What else? Sa table. Wow.
Oh, what color?
Wow.
You
Papa
want-
made it.
You want color yellow?
Yellow. Teka, we'll get the yellow.
You want color yellow?
Kailangan ba natin yung orange?
Ayun, orange. Oh, let's get orange. Oh, wow. Papa made it. Yay.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, you press it. Oh, you press. Oh, no.
Kaninong floaty yun?
Naku, lumayo na.
Parang kahapon pa yan lumalayo.
Malayo na mararating uli nun.
Oh, here's another one. Oh, where do you want that? Where do you want that? Wow.
Actually, yung mga natapon niya.
Yay!
Yay. Wow. Oh, wait,
Pati nga yung instruction, kinulayan eh.
Dami ito.
Wow. Is that yours?
Ito, gusto mo makita yung instruction?
Eh, wala, si Pau Pau lang gumagawa. Kahit ano na yan. Oh, sige, oh, here. Oh, where do you want that? Daddy, your turn.
Yay! Ay, instruction. Oh, meron na.
Gawa rin kayo sapat ng adult.
Oh,
Pang-rated R ba?
Pang-rated sa ano.
Lalagyan mo ng ano.
Bigyan natin ng pau.
Ito pa, nagre-refill pa ako. Ano?
Ay, babasain, di ba? Babasain yun.
Good job.
good job.
Good job.
What happened?
I've been wanting to.
Okay, gahaki, gahaki.
Where?
Hindi pala malalagyan ng pau.
No, where?
Sulatan natin.
Daddy, your turn. I'm gonna hang this and then it's your turn.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sky blue.
Ito, orange. Orange. Kulay ng Malalanders. Red, orange, and yellow. Toyota color, TRD Racing yun.
Tayo ginaya ng TRD.
Dami kulay.
That's enough na. That's enough. Oh, this is enough na po.
First floor.
This is enough na for Pau Pau.
I like your colors, Paul. Ginaya ko lang yung malalandas lang.
Oo nga.
Kasi I have t-shirt.
Mimi, what's up?
Ito nang sinasabi. Hindi na kailangan.
Yellow. You put yellow.
There. Put yellow. Here. Here. You put this one. Yay.
You need more purple? I'll put some more purple.
Here. Hold it.
Galing ng mga activity.
Oo nga eh. Malulupit.
Black.
Yung marami pang matanda dito, first time pa nilang mag-tie-dye.
Kami din.
Oh, kayo? Oh,
Kami din. Isa kami ron.
First time.
Isa din kami doon.
Yes, thank you.
Baby, come! Get your shirt! Tie-tie! Look, baby, look at mine.
Kailangan muna ibabag to o diretso na sa araw?
Diretso sa araw yata. Ano ba?
Okay, pwede mo nagdiretso sa amin.
Oh, yung one make balloon.
Naging balon na. Ayos na, here's your t-shirt na.
Oh, we're done to your t-shirt.
right now.
May iba lang, malalandan to na kulay. Oo, para masyadong.
Yellow cream.
Oh, Han, sa'yo naman.
Parang ano lang ah.
Yeah.
Papa, parang nag-ano ka lang ah. Naglandi lang.
You're very artistic. I mean, artistic.
Autistic?
Ombre is hard.
Oh, mommy,
Like
get,
Abercrombie.
make a t-shirt. Oh, come on.
Papa, kami ah.
Come on, oh, you can do that.
Kasi,
You can do that.
may badaya.
Gagawin lang natin.
Alam mo, hindi naman
Mag-invento lang tayo.
Sabihan mo, story.
Owen! Ito, Betsy. Uy, tie-dye.
Hey, baby.
Here's ours. Tingnan natin kung ano kakalabasan
Pink and
nito.
or blue yung sa taas. Pwede.
Sa bahay yung
Or pink. Ang naalala ko, pink or blue ang gusto kong gawin ganyan eh.
Tingnan natin kung anong kakalabasan.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Just wait, ha? Just wait.
Wait.
Bilang nga si mami.
Gumawa ka na ba?
Tignan lang natin kung anong kakalabasan. Tapos si Papa ang technique nila.
Oh.
Ano bang kulay ang wala?
Wait lang si mami.
Ga, may mga bowl ka?
Lahat na. Rainbow na yan.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Ito green.
Ito yung gitna lang ang nilagyan ko.
Okay lang.
Kakalabas na.
Yun pala yung cup natin.
Saan? Oh.
Kasi may balak.
It means you're
Oh,
or
Filipino na.
malande means flirty.
Flirty.
Oh, so we're like we flirt.
I
I'm
love
flirtatious. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah.
We said malalander.
Okay na to.
We said malande.
Let's see ka na.
Let's go.
Dito.
Dito.
Kanya Papa.
Papa.
Gawa ng pao.
Oh, ayan o.
That's the kind of name we're like. Yeah, parang kind of name.
Hello. Ganyan lang na, ano? Kulang pa.
I get the twister.
Yan lang pala yun.
Kulang pa. No.
Kabila lang.
Oo. Ano? Dagdagan mo pa? Okay na yan.
Mas marami. At ito mas marami.
Mas marami. Kaya ano, okay din naman.
Mas marami. Yung sa'yo kulang.
No, because of that thing.
We will rock you. Sige. We will rock you. Papa, no. Mamaya na. Oh, mamaya na. That's later. Hell.
That's why we do the tie-dye. Tie-dye. There you go. He's doing a tie-dye. The authentic tie-dye right here.
Here. You should grab the good.
Ah. Oh, gloves.
Ito hindi marunong. Ay! Hindi marunong magsinungaling. She doesn't know how to lie. We're doing the game like we're the killers.
I'm the good guy.
Ano, okay na yan? Let's go. Come on. Oh. Let's go.
You wanna go inside the water na? We move from the fishing boat.
Aba, panis lang.
Go this way. You're on the page. Riker, get away from the fishing.
Kulay yung blue na yun, natapos.
Is that an ombre?
This way.
Oh yeah, I'm not playing.
Fishing. This side.
You work with Gabby, right?
Yeah, with the artist. That's why.
Yeah.
Or you're doing the ombre?
She's not playing.
He's doing it right.
It's shaped just like Paco.
So you see the stripe is coming out now? You see the white?
Oh, okay. It looks cool.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, that's good. Ate, okay lang? Isa?
Oh,
Not messy. What colors are you gonna do? Nagmana ka sa
we're
Paco.
gonna fade and then do the heart on the top.
Methodical. Oy, oy, oy. Oy.
Oy? Wait, oy.
Get it, girl. Oy. Oy. Hindi ko alam. Say hello.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman, hirap ang ombre nito.
Did they Gabby, him and Gabby, they were actually.
We do hair.
Oh, nice.
I feel judged.
I mean,
No, I don't think you have really beautiful hair. So long and thick. Kaya pa lang. I know. He's good with his fingers.
Oh.
I do. Maybe the whole thing.
Right. Be careful, your son is here.
I know your son is here.
I know.
He has no
Alam ko sa
idea.
babag.
Nah,
Ba't ka
Paco
mabaga?
baby. He's a
I know he's
Pwede mo na isang fry.
Yes, thank you. Si Ana lang.
Go to Tata, you eat lugaw.
Dali na, papadidin.
You eat lugaw with Tata.
Nadede pa to? What? Sa dito? Bear brand na yan.
Wala na, kahit sipon.
Ew! Magulat siya pag meron.
You want juice? Kaninong juice?
What color? Galing ata sa amin.
Purple and blue, you're gonna do.
And then I'm gonna do green.
Nasaan yung isa kong
That's yours? That's yours?
Yes. Right there! Oh, that's good.
Oh wow!
That's so cute.
Ano gagawa ka? Hindi ka gagawa?
Let me see yours. Oh, professional. I want to show mine. I didn't do one. Yours is your Jay's is really
I
good.
did do.
Oh, I love that one. So cool.
I am swimming hostage.
So this will turn out nice.
Ano,
This is not Shane.
Ang galing mong kay, ano, kay
Who is
Tima.
not Shane?
I know.
He's showing off na.
Jay, pwede rin marami, pero ganun, oh. It's tie-dye, but ay, di ba sabi mo, leave some space, but no, mo ganda ng kanya.
Just get gloves, fill it water.
Ba't gusto mo yung parang ano?
I know, but kahit maraming kulay
Pwede ka naman kumuha pa ng isa pa ulit. You wanna do another?
Yeah, we're lazy.
But I like to look.
Nice.
Tali dyan.
Hindi,
Oh, cool.
hindi yung solar natin.
I know, ang ganda ng kay Tima.
Oh, just so we know, we're only up in till Sunday now. Yeah? It's like a.
It's like an all-day
Yeah,
project.
I know it is.
Pati pati matanda natuwa. Even the old people.
Kasi parang like,
I know
how
natuwa
do
sila.
they do that?
Tingin nga, alam mo, yung dalawa ni John.
Pero parang ang dali gawin, parang ang hirap doon. Di kinakalabasan yung what we wanted.
It's never gonna come out. Like,
Picture muna kayo.
unless you're here.
I don't know.
Pabigyan
Unless
mo.
you're
Pabigyan mo.
food.
Pabigyan mo. May flag pa pa.
Sa akin kaya, okay
Oh, may flag na, oh.
Dapat pala pa dito pa picture sa mga landers.
So cute. Baby naman. I know. Show off. I know. I love it. I love it. I love it.
It's like, let me show you what's
Look
that.
how it's done.
I
Let me
My
do it the
first
correct
time.
way.
First time, watch out. I'm skilled already.
Have you seen
I
what
know.
I've done?
That's Tita Ganda over there.
I gotta find it.
Linis na, linis.
Okay, Paul, let's see yours.
Galing mo,
Your
iba-ibang.
fault.
I was gonna try to do
Reveal
this
it.
yesterday, para today, masusuot na.
Aw.
But everybody's
Doing their thing.
Mommy.
settled, tired, they're like, let me just do it.
Yellow.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, wear your
At
shoes.
one point there was yellow.
Come on, tell Tata to wear the other shoes. Please.
Where is it?
Right
Well,
there.
hindi ko nababuksan to mamaya.
Mamaya na, itay mo muna.
Para kumalat pa yan, no?
Go to Tata.
Let this marinate. It looks like a poop bag. Oh, here's your poop bag.
Ayos pre. Galing.
Ano kaya? Ganda.
Ayan. Papaw! Yan ang aming ano, t-shirt.
Bye.